Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use the Sprouts app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So once you go ahead and install the Sprouts app, here's how it works. The first thing that you can do is that you could add groceries by browsing around. So once you add groceries, let's pretend that we want to go order some strawberries. On the upper right hand corner, you could actually click on the cart option, and this is going to show you more items to check out. But if you click on go ahead and check out, and then on this page here, you just want to make sure that all this information is correct as far as where you're delivering to, how much you're paying, and then click on continue and confirm. Additionally, while you're shopping at Sprouts, you can actually browse on coupons. So if you click on coupons, here are various items which you can actually go ahead and clip. And as you start clipping these items, these get attached to your Sprouts account. So when you shop in store, all you need to do is click on my barcode, have them scan your barcode, and then the coupons will automatically be applied. Additionally, you can change it from delivery to pickup. If you click on delivery, you can click on pickup, and then you can have your groceries picked up at the nearest Sprout store as well. You could also pick it up in store and click on confirm. Now in the bottom right hand corner, if you click on more, you have various settings options. You can see your account settings, where you can change your account info, addresses, payment methods. You could also see your order history in case there's an item missing. And then there's also a store locator and also your rewards. And that's pretty much it as far as all the buttons I use when it comes to using the Sprouts app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how to use the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.